Hello everyone, my name is Ravneet Kaur. I read in Guru Nanak Dev Global Academy. As you all know, Father's Day is celebrated every year on 21st June. So today I am recite a beautiful poem on this special day. My father is my hero. Everyone else in front of him is zero. He has a heart of gold. In every situation, he moves like in the sky. Freely roam, birds, same as pearls, are his word. He gave me my name, through which I got fame. When I am normal or in style, he loved me in each and every while. He never demands anything. He is my God who gave me wings. To you, I am a doll. I enjoy when we play with a ball. On my face comes a smile on seeing you from a mile. I call you when I miss